What are the main benefits of a gluten-free diet for people without celiac disease? In recent years, the gluten-free diet has gained immense popularity, not just among individuals diagnosed with celiac disease but also among those who do not have the condition. While celiac disease necessitates the elimination of gluten to prevent severe health issues, many people without the disease report experiencing various benefits from adopting a gluten-free lifestyle. In this guide, we'll delve into the benefits of a gluten-free diet for those without celiac disease, exploring the possible advantages, risks, and ways to make the transition. Understanding gluten. What is gluten? Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It provides elasticity and structure to baked goods, making it a staple in many foods such as bread, pasta, and pastries. Where is gluten found? Aside from obvious sources like bread and cereals, gluten is present in unexpected places like soups, sauces, and even processed meats. Hidden gluten can make it challenging to avoid entirely. Misconceptions about gluten. While some see gluten as harmful to everyone, scientific consensus states it is generally safe for most people. However, its removal can yield benefits for those who experience sensitivity or wish to experiment with their diet. Reasons for following a gluten-free diet without celiac disease. Even without a medical requirement, many individuals choose to adopt a gluten-free diet for reasons such as improved health and digestion. Curiosity about potential benefits. Alignment with dietary trends or lifestyle preferences. Potential benefits of a gluten-free diet. Improved digestive health. Some individuals report reduced bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort when cutting out gluten. This can occur due to previously undiagnosed gluten sensitivities or better food choices overall. Dr. Peter Green, a gastroenterologist and director of the Celiac Disease Center at Columbia University, states, for some individuals, especially those with IBS, avoiding gluten can lead to substantial improvements in their quality of life. Increased energy levels. Gluten consumption can sometimes cause fatigue in sensitive individuals. By avoiding it, people may notice more stable energy levels throughout the day. Reduced bloating and gas. Eliminating gluten often leads to a diet focused on whole, less processed foods, which naturally reduces digestive discomfort. Impact on weight management. Encouraging whole food choices. A gluten-free diet often prioritizes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and gluten-free grains, steering away from processed snacks and desserts. This shift can aid in weight management. So overall, you can say that a gluten-free diet for people without celiac disease can increase the awareness of food choices. Because following a gluten-free diet often encourages individuals to become more mindful about their food choices. This awareness can lead to healthier eating habits overall, as people tend to focus on whole foods rather than processed options. As Dr. Rajagopal notes, many people find they feel better just by eating better, not by removing gluten. Potential caloric deficit. By cutting out calorie-dense gluten-containing foods like pastries, people may naturally reduce their calorie intake, contributing to weight loss. Better skin health. For some, gluten consumption may exacerbate skin conditions such as acne or eczema. A gluten-free diet could lead to improvements in overall skin appearance and health. Benefits for mental clarity. Reduced gluten-related brain fog. Brain fog, or feelings of mental cloudiness, is often linked to gluten sensitivity. Removing gluten might help improve cognitive function and clarity. Enhanced mood and emotional well-being. Gluten is believed by some to influence mood negatively in sensitive individuals. A gluten-free diet may result in improved emotional health. Risks and considerations. While the benefits are compelling, going gluten-free without a medical need may come with downsides, such as nutritional deficiencies. Gluten-free products often lack fiber and essential nutrients. Higher costs. Gluten-free alternatives can be expensive. Social challenges. Dining out or attending events may become more complicated. Tips for transitioning to a gluten-free diet. 1. Educate yourself. Learn to identify hidden gluten in food labels. 2. Plan your meals. Focus on naturally gluten-free whole foods. 3. Experiment with recipes. Discover gluten-free baking and cooking techniques. 4. Monitor your health. Track changes to assess whether the diet works for you. Myths and misconceptions about gluten-free diets. Myth: gluten-free diets are automatically healthier. Reality: only when paired with balanced nutrition. Myth: everyone benefits from cutting out gluten. Reality: many people tolerate gluten without issues. Success stories and testimonials. Numerous non-celiac individuals have reported experiencing improved digestion and fewer stomach issues. More consistent energy and better focus. Clearer skin and improved mood. One compelling success story of someone thriving on a gluten-free diet, despite not having celiac disease, comes from a woman who spent decades struggling with what she believed was irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. After moving back to her hometown and consulting a new doctor, she was tested for celiac disease and discovered she had gluten sensitivity. Her blood test results indicated a significant level of antibodies, confirming her sensitivity to gluten. Upon eliminating gluten from her diet, she experienced immediate improvements in her health. Symptoms such as abdominal pain, gas, and chronic diarrhea began to subside, allowing her to enjoy life more fully. She described her previous experiences with food as a constant battle with digestive issues, often planning her day around the proximity of bathrooms due to her condition. After transitioning to an approximately 80% gluten-free diet, she found that many gluten-free alternatives were surprisingly satisfying, such as gluten-free lasagna noodles and granola bars. This dietary change not only alleviated her symptoms but also encouraged her to pay closer attention to food labels, leading to healthier eating choices overall. This story highlights the potential benefits of a gluten-free diet for individuals who may not have celiac disease but still experience adverse reactions to gluten. It underscores the importance of proper diagnosis and dietary adjustments in improving one's quality of life. Some ask questions about the benefits of a gluten-free diet for people without celiac disease. 1. What is gluten, and why is it avoided? Gluten is a protein in wheat, barley, and rye, often avoided due to sensitivities or personal preferences. 2. Can a gluten-free diet help with weight loss? Yes, primarily by encouraging healthier, whole food choices and potentially reducing calorie intake. 3. Does a gluten-free diet improve energy levels? Many report feeling less fatigued after removing gluten from their diets. 4. Are there risks to going gluten-free? Yes, including potential nutritional deficiencies and higher food costs. 5. Can cutting gluten improve mental clarity? Some find it reduces brain fog and enhances focus. 6. How do I start a gluten-free diet? Begin by eliminating gluten-containing foods and focusing on naturally gluten-free options. Overall conclusion. The benefits of a gluten-free diet for people without celiac disease are varied and can include improved digestion, higher energy levels, and better overall health. While it isn't necessary for everyone, those curious about its effects can experiment mindfully to see if it enhances their well-being. If you're considering a gluten-free lifestyle, ensure a balanced approach to avoid nutritional deficiencies and maximize the benefits.